Okay, this is the last week. This is week 10. The last week for Igbo JS2. Third term scheme of work. We are going to do topic is Akara Ụda Elu. Akara, that is marks. Now, Akara Ụda Akara ụda elu bụ ihe a na-akanye n'okwu. Akara ụda olu bụ ụda olu, not elu. Ụda olu bụ ihe a na-akanye n'okwu iji mata mkpọpụta okwu ahụ. Is the sign or punctuation that you put with that sign or that punctuation. It will help to know the meaning of that word. When you see example, you will have better understanding. Ọ bụ maka na ọtụtụ okwu n'asụsụ Igbo nwere otu nsupe, mana mkpọpụta ha abụghị otu. Some Igbo words have the same spelling, but their pronunciation are not the same. That's why we should note all these things down. But now we are going to look at some words that are in Igbo and their English version. Akwa. Akwa means what? Cry. We have another word that we have aqua, which is what? Egg. Aqua, which is what? Cloth that you wear. So we have one spelling meaning different, one word that has one spelling meaning different thing. That's how Igbo this thing seems to be sometimes. You have aqua, which is cry, but the sounds are different. Aqua, which is cry. Aqua, which is cloth. Aqua, which is egg. You see? Okay, next we'll have isi, which is head. Isi, head. Eke, which is what? Market. Market day. One of the market days we have in Igbo. We have oke, which is what? Rat. Oke means what? Rat. Then oke means what? Male. A male child or a male animal, anything. We have aqua. I have seen it now. Aqua. It has the same spelling but different meaning. Aqua, which is bed. We have isi. Isi. You see, isi, head. Isi, smell. The same spelling but different meaning. We have eke. Yes, eke. The sound is different. The first one is eke, which is market. Which one is eke, which is gizzard. We have oke, which is what? Male, as I said before. Oke, which is rat. The same spelling but different meaning. However, which is aqua, which is dress. We have isi, which is to cook. Isinri, to cook food, to cook. We have eke, which is to tie. Eke, kere me here, tie this thing for me. Eke. And we have oke, which is okay, which is boundary. Okay. Another aqua again. Aqua, which is what? Egg. Isi, which is leader. Isi means what? Leader. Another, the same spelling but different meaning and different sound. We have eke, which is what? Python. We have okay, which is what? Share. And some of them, so many other. So in classwork, we are going to do number 1, gịnị bụ akara ụda olu? What is akara ụda olu? Number 3, depụta ụzọ okwu abụọ nwere otu nsupe ma nghọta ha abụghị otu. Now, write down 2 words that has the same spelling but different meaning. Okay. Now look at enwere akara ụda olu 3. Number 1 is ụda elu, ụda ala na ụda nsụda. Enwere anya na ọbụ so na n'ụda ume ka a na-etinye akara ụda olu ụfọdụ kwa n'ụfọdụ nyiri ụda ume. Now, a na-etinye akara elu mgbe ụda ume gbagoro elu, akara ma ọ gbadaa ala. Akara ụda nsụda ma ọ bụrụ na akara ụda elu agbagoghị elu, agbadaghị ala, kama ọ kọrọ n'etiti. We have examples here, which is akara elu, you can see it there, akara ala, and akara ụda nsụda. That is the sound. Akwa, cry, under akara elu, akwa, cry. Akwa, which is what? Bird. Is akara ụda ala. You lower your voice while saying it. Akara ụda nsụda, ego, money. Anya, eye. Enwe, monkey. Elo, mushroom. Ele, buffalo. Akpa, bag. Ọnụ, mouth. Ekwe, wooden gong. Ala, land. Ebe, beetle. Ewu, goat. Enyo, mirror. Eze, teeth. Eke, python. Agwa, beans. Ewi, wild rabbit. Ọkụ, fire. Agba, jaw. Agụ, tiger. Ụsụ, bat. Igwe, crowd. Crowd, that is the atmosphere, the crowd. Ike, to tie. Egbe, kite. Aja, sacrifice. Ụrọ, mud. Olu, neck. Ama, reveal. Mma, beauty. Aka, hand. Ụwa, the world. Nwoke, man. So this is the akara. So many of them. We have egwu, fear. Igbe, box. ike strength, ọkụ clay pot, ide to write, ide write something, dere m ihe write something for me, ụzọ road, akwa egg, oke male, isi blindness, ọgụ 20, ose pepper, ude pomade, nkwọ hawk, ukwu bunch, not ukwu, not a woman's waist, no, ukwu, that is bunch of something, bunch of stick, bunch of stick, bunch of matches, and so on and so forth. Aja, sand, egbe, gun, ise, 5, anya, eye, anya, afọ, native market, types of market you have in Igbo. Ikpe, to report, ikpe to do report. Alright, so this is where we'll call it a day for this class. Thank you very much for watching. So you know, we are an education agency. We call ourselves Uzie Academy HSA. If you want to learn how to read and write Igbo, contact us. We want to learn how to read and write English. We as well prepare primary 4, 5, 6 for their common entrance exams. We as well teach English, mathematics, and science subject from JS1 to SS3. You can contact us on 081 33 57 7465. Thank you very much. Please pursue knowledge. Knowledge is power and strength. Thank you very much.